Hi, and welcome to Interactive Crypto's YouTube channel, where we bring you one crypto video a week, once a week, every week. Stay tuned.
What is Bitcoin?
Where does code come from? Dedicated computers that work all day and all night to generate the code. In technical terminology, the code is referred to as keys. Every key is divided into two components, public and private. Public component make it traceable for everybody, but you can't own Bitcoin unless you've got the private component as well. A transaction takes place when both public and private keys change hands. There will come a time when we won't be able to generate more keys. Limited supply is what makes Bitcoin valuable. During the last few months, Bitcoin and other digital currencies have highly appreciated value because the amount of code that is in demand is abnormally higher than the amount of code we currently have and what we're creating. The process of creating the code and keys is called mining.
How to buy Bitcoin?
Cryptocurrency wallet is basically a secure digital space where you store your purchased Bitcoin. That's where the code resides. As you would have guessed, the cryptocurrency wallet needs to be a trustworthy, stellar reputation wallet. Otherwise, you could lose your money. Wallets also differ in terms of offered features and other aspects, so you may choose a wallet that suits your needs. Some of the most reliable and feature-rich wallets include Coinbase, Exodus, and Mycelium. Wallets are fine for low to medium sums, but if you find yourself dealing with large amounts of BTC USD value, ensure you store it on an offline cold storage to maximize the security of your Bitcoins. The best way to buy Bitcoin without the involvement of a broker is through a cryptocurrency exchange. You will find numerous exchanges on the web, but very few offer high-quality, trustworthy performance. Another factor you should look at is the amount of fee charged for buying Bitcoin and the available payment methods. If you are a beginner or aren't sure where to start from, Coinbase is the right choice for you. It has been in service for years and offers great customer support for a reasonable price, available both on desktop and mobile. Apart from that, you also have Bitfinex, Kraken, and Bitstamp with high credibility. Another way is to search for a Bitcoin exchange on the Bitcoin website itself, as it will tell you which exchanges operate in your region. Because of their high chances of scamming, many Bitcoin exchanges limit their payment methods to ensure secure transactions. Usually, bank account and credit card money transfer is accepted with a few limitations. Wire transfers, especially of big amounts, could be a hit or a miss, as they tend to attract regulatory authorities and financial institutions for money laundering investigations. Once you've chosen your mode of payment, you simply purchase the Bitcoin, as you'd purchase any other product from the internet. After buying the Bitcoin, store them on your wallet and follow the instructions closely to ensure your crypto wealth is safe.
The future of Bitcoin. Regardless of the ups and downs in the price, the platform behind the currency has gained strength, but has also seen stiff competition from better alternative technologies like Ethereum and IOTA. While Bitcoin is maturing, its high transaction times and volatility doesn't make it a good choice to be an alternative currency. The introduction of the Lightning might change that in the coming months, but how is it going to compete with IOTA that gains speed as the number of users increase? That is still a question mark. There is a possibility that Bitcoin will concede ground to better technologies like Tangle and Ethereum blockchain, but it would be naive to write it off today. Bitcoin has always had a knack of surprising its critics with strong comeback, and over the years it has only appreciated in value. How will it tackle the challenge of the newly introduced cryptocurrencies? It remains to be seen.
Hi, and thank you for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.